looking to learn Arabic calligraphy in the Nastaliq and Farsi script, then this video is for you. Hey everybody, this is Muhammad Harun from Canvas Wonders, helping you create something worth wonders today. For those of you that don't know who I am and are new here, I'm an Arabic calligrapher and a self-taught graphic designer. I help people beautify their homes with Arabic calligraphic artworks, and here on YouTube, I help people learn calligraphy with useful tips and tutorials. If that's something that interests you, then make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon not to miss another video. Today's lesson, we will learn how to script the letter Laam and the letter Meem. Let's get started. The letter Laam is scripted in 2 strokes. Begin with scripting a long alif of 4 to 5 units. The second stroke is the same as the body of the letters Sin and Sad. Check out lesson 2, 6 and 7 to recap. Let's measure up. The alif is 4 units in height. The horizontal space in the belly is 3.5 units. The vertical space in the belly is 4 units. The curvature of the bottom of the belly has 1 unit space to the tail. The front of the belly is 2 units apart. The tail curves inwards of half a unit. The letter Meem is scripted in 3 strokes. At a 75-degree angle, create a dot curving outwards like so. Now to create the neck of the letter Meem, start at the end of the dot. Create a long curving stroke that goes through the previous stroke halfway. Now create a long thin alif. Let's measure up. The head of the Meem is 1 unit in height and width. The neck is 1 unit in height and 2 units in width. The thin alif is 5 units in height. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. You should be really proud of yourself, looking at the progress that you've made so far. Like if you like this video, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and check out the other videos I have on this channel, because I'm sure they'll bring you a lot of value. Thank you so much for watching this video, and as always, may peace be with you.